You probably already know the English language has very distinct sounds or phonemes that we combine different ways to make words. In this English video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce every individual phonemes. So let's get started. The English language has 44 sounds or 44 phonemes. So the 44 sounds divided into two great parts: 20 vowel sounds, 24 consonant sounds. Let's see the 20 vowel sounds. The 20 vowel sounds are divided into three parts. So we have 7 short vowel sounds, 5 long vowel sounds, and 8 diphthongs. So let's see the 7 short vowel sounds. A, as in cat, cat. Fat, fat. Fat. Sat, sat. As in bet, bet. Get, get. Wet, wet. Let, let. You hear the sound. Now let's see fit, fit. Bit, bit. Sit, sit. Bit, bit. Box, box. Lot. Sometimes in American English you hear a little bit in British English, they actually say, they round a little bit more the lips. They say aw, baw, baw. But in American English, they say ah, ah. Now, let's say cup, cup. Sun, sun. Sun. Cup, cup. Let's say as in book, book. Foot, foot. Let's see the schwa sound, the most common sound in the English language. So it is a schwa sound. So we find the sound with all the vowel sounds as well. So for A, you say the same thing. It's relaxed. You say as in sofa, sofa. About, about. Again, the stress is on the second syllable. So the A is a schwa sound. So you say again, above, ago, around. In the word like America, so the first A is a schwa. The stress is on the second syllable. So we say America, America. In the last syllable as well is schwa. Like the last A is a schwa sound. So you say America,